All right, yo, it finally came in the mail. Guess what this is? It kind of came in this weird, like, kind of gay blue color, but like, whatever, man. We're gonna make it work. All right, so my dumbass thought this came in a blue color, but it was actually just a protective covering. So I tore that off. Now it looks kind of sexy. So the reason I got this is because this is like a crankcase oil filter cap breather. I have a lot of positive crankcase pressure, probably from like wear and tear of the engine, because it's like kind of high mileage now. So I'm probably getting like a lot more blow by. The rings were stuck, but they're probably unstuck now because of the valvoline restore and protect oil I've been running. But yeah, the issue is I've been having a lot of crankcase pressure, and that's been pushing out like a little bit of oil out the oil cap, and I've been having to like clean that out after every drive I do, and it's kind of annoying. And also I don't want to blow out like any other seals. So yeah, this is to alleviate some of that pressure. It's I used to think whenever I saw this like at car meets and stuff, I used to think like, oh, doesn't this like just give you like a big ass like vacuum leak? That's what I thought, but this is actually one way. There's like a metal ball in there with like a spring actuated, so that way when there's pressure going out, that ball lifts up due to the pressure and like lets it escape out. But as soon as that pressure is relieved, like it doesn't let any air go back in. So it's like a one-way actuated system. So hopefully this fixes my crankcase pressure. It came with 3 O-rings, which is really nice. 3 gaskets. I put one in there already. You're gonna need like a screwdriver to tighten this up and install it onto this middle part here. But the thing is, guess how much this cost me? This was only like $15 on eBay, okay? So you're gonna see a bunch of these on sale for like $15, anywhere from $15 to like $120. Guys, do not get scammed, because everyone's been doing this. If you know anything about supply chain and marketing, all they do is they contact like any type of supplier from China, any manufacturer from China, right? And they're like, hey, can you make me this part, but put my brand on it, right? They'll agree, they'll make a bunch of units, and then put their branding on and mark it up to like a disgusting amount. So do not fall for brand names and shit like that. This is 2025, so moving forward, you could get the same shit for like $15 on eBay. Yeah, do not fall for like VTT or like any other brands that you see online for like hundreds of dollars. So I'm gonna install this, and let's see how that goes. As you can see here, there's like a little bit of residue from the oil seepage that I was explaining earlier. I ended up having to double down on the gasket here, actually, as I opened this up. I put a gasket under this gasket to give it like extra sealing pressure, and even though I do that, it leaks out. So that's definitely due to crankcase pressure buildup. I really wanted to keep that cap because it looks nice. But let's see if this fixes the issue. Before we do that, I've been running valvoline restore and protect for about 10,000 miles now. I did 2 oil changes. So if we're looking in here, that used to look a lot worse. Like instead of that brown color, it used to be like that dark brown to black color you see on the bottom there. But the surrounding, like take a look at the camshaft. It's been lightening up quite a bit. Like you can actually see that the metal is showing there instead of it being coated in varnish. So restore and protect is actually doing really well. Like it's doing what it's supposed to do, which is nice. Running 5W30 actually isn't as bad as I thought it would be. So engine hasn't blown up, we're doing fine. I do want to wipe that up before I put it on, so let me do that real quick. All right, back with the oil rag here. This is for all the oily mess and stuff, like after I'm done with this, I'm throwing it away. I'm not reusing this. So just wash this up. There we go, a lot better. All right. So this is supposed to fit on BMWs. I see it has the 2 prongs. Let's see if it fits though. So it's gonna go like this. Like that. And I twist it, right? Oh shit, oh shit. I don't want to break anything. The fitment is questionable. Uh-oh. All right, and it's magically on. That took some fuckery to get on, but I'm pretty sure it's secured on there. It doesn't turn any longer. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's on tight. The problem was the gasket that came on it was really thick, which is a good thing, but it really makes you like work it in there, you know? But now it's pretty sure that's not going anywhere. Added a sticker on top for the aesthetics. Cool factor, +1 definitely. Dude, this looks pretty sick actually. Like, this looks nice. Hopefully it doesn't leave a mess. Like, if there's any vapors coming out, like, hopefully it doesn't, like, spew out oil, you know what I mean? But, like, I'm expecting there to be some vapor coming out of this, but, yeah. Let's see if the hood closes. Okay, guys, so the hood does close. It's growing on me. It looks pretty sick. It does close. It just leaves a little indent in this insulation pad. I don't really care that much. Yeah, so it's a pretty cool thing. I'll update you later if it like leaks out and stuff. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna get my fuel filter changed out tomorrow. And yeah, I already went for a test drive with the new ignition coils and the injectors cleaned and everything. Yo, it feels so different now. Like, there used to be some sort of like small hesitation when I rev matched. Every time I downshifted, it like, I'd have to double blip sometimes. It would happen maybe 75 to 80% of the time, and it was kind of annoying. So yeah, I knew something was off. So I was trying to chase the core issue. So yeah, with the injector cleaning and the new ignition coils, it drives like a dream. It's like so smooth now. And I feel like I was losing out on power before, but it's so much better now. So really excited to see how this fares with the crankcase pressure. It shouldn't leak anymore. That's what I'm hoping to fix with this.